Jason Jani!
What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani from the SCE Event Group, and I'm making this video for wedding DJs that are struggling obtaining reviews from past couples, clients, or people that hire you for their wedding events. So if you're a wedding DJ and you are struggling getting reviews, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you one thing that we've done at SCE that has helped us tremendously accumulate a massive amount of reviews. And if you don't know, at the time of recording this, I think we have well over 5,000 reviews on the different platforms that exist: Google, Wedding Wire, The Knot, and more. We have a ton of reviews, and I want to share with you a super plug, one thing that we've done to help make it easier for couples to essentially review us and not like inconvenience them, because let's face it, doing reviews sometimes sucks for people, and for them to take 3 minutes of time sometimes is inconvenient. So we made it easy. But before I get into sharing you the plug that we use to kind of crack the code and at least open up the opportunity to obtain more reviews, I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to jump on board and support this channel with some sub love down below. So if you're a wedding DJ or a DJ of any sorts for that matter, whether you're just getting started or you've been in the business for a long time, I'd love to invite you not only to support this channel with some sub love down below, but I'd love to invite you to check out the content that I've created and released here on this channel over the past year. I've spent a lot of time and energy putting together real deal learnings, real deal videos based on things that I've experienced as a performing DJ as well as a business owner, so that you could essentially leapfrog a little bit ahead of the competition. All the content here is based on real things that we've experienced. It will help save you time, money, energy, and so much more. And I hope that you will support me and this channel with some sub love. If you are a returning supporter, subscriber, viewer, observer, or whatever of this content, I just want to say thank you so good for being here. I appreciate you. I see you. And just thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm trying to grow and cultivate this community on this channel, on this platform, YouTube, to really, really push our industry forward. And that's what the whole purpose is. Again, if you feel that or feel the content or whatever, I would be grateful for some sub love and some support with thumbs up and all the things. Anyway, let's get into it. So reviews, cracking the code on reviews is really tough because, let's face it, not everyone has the time or wants to take the time to review their experience. So you have to make it easy. That's kind of like the big thing here. You have to make the review process easy for people. And the easier you make it for them, the more likely they will be able to kind of give their time to give you the reviews that you need to help you boost your business. If you are new to the business, you probably may understand or you may not understand, but reviews are everything in this business. They can make or break any company, anywhere. And it is super important that you start understanding how to obtain reviews, because reviews will help you kind of catapult your business into the next level, because word of mouth in this world is everything. The wedding space, it's everything, everything, everything. And people feel confident when they can observe other people's experiences and they can kind of relate to them in some way, shape, or form. So reviews are so important, and it's how we've been able to grow the SCE Event Group to where it is, just because reviews have been a big part of our culture and our process, and they've really helped us just grow. Reviews are everything. So how do you make it easier? This is what the video is all about. One thing I'm going to tell you to do, and that is a vanity URL. Find a vanity URL that fits your brand, your company, or the things that you do, and have it linked to a private page, an unlisted page, a published page, but not visible in your menu on your website. And on that page, have a little message from you or from your company to anyone that's used you, and then offer the links to the sites that you want to be reviewed on underneath it. Maybe make a cool graphic, just put a hot link, or put a window that allows people to kind of type into the window and submit via your website, or to be ported directly over to one of the review websites from this private page on your website. The vanity URL is really key here, because it becomes very easy. At SCE, we use We Love SCE. It's very simple, and anyone on our team knows that. So like when we are finishing an event and someone comes up and says, "Oh, I'd love to review if there's anything that we could ever do for you," you know off the top of your head, it's super easy. Just go to welovesce.com. Let me text it to you. Let me share it with you. Let me send you a quick email or a quick message so that you are aware of what it is. And when you get some time, just go on there. And when they go on there, there's a cool little message. And then underneath it has 3 review sites that we actually use reviews. And those reviews help us build our business. So you have to make it easy to access. using a vanity URL, and then list the places and provide links and or an easy way for them to review on that page. And it will help you boost your review count. You know, I did a video earlier how we got 3,000 Wedding Wire reviews and all these different things. It's really simple. Sometimes you just have to ask. Sometimes people don't know. So it's super important in your follow-up after the event ends that you send a quick message to them, that you thank them, that you are appreciative, and you don't close the door on the relationship when you turn the music off at their event. It's super important that you keep that relationship ongoing, because people that used you can be really, really, really powerful brand ambassadors for you in the future. They have friends, they have people that have attended their event that had a great time that could go to them and ask for your information. So it's super important that you keep that relationship alive and you keep it ongoing. Now, there's a lot of different levels to the review game, and I'll get into it. If you have questions specifically on how to massive amounts of reviews for your business, throw it in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer and address every single question that makes sense. And I might even do some more videos on the review topic if you would find it helpful. My name is Jason Jani. My company is the SCE Event Group, and I appreciate you watching this video here. Be on the lookout for more videos dripping right here on this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. That's it. I'm done.
That means Scoop Jimmy!